Hey, how's it going, Frank? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you could beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up raising their hands and saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is just free education. All I ask is you give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this video. What I'm going to talk to you about today, Frank, is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your company, such as like fence repair in Arlington. So you want your content stuffed with like fence staining in Arlington, stuff like that. Now Google looks at authoritative websites nowadays as having between 1,500 and 2,000 words on their front page, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So if you look at your website right here, it's a great looking website. It's got a lot of photos, really beautiful photos too. As far as content goes, you're definitely lacking a bit. You probably have about 150 words right here, plus a couple here and there, maybe 200. I would definitely recommend getting that up to about 1,500 to 2,000. That way Google knows that you're the authority, and make sure it's got the right keywords in there. Let's see what your images are saved as. So this is a great opportunity here where you could save it as something such as like fence staining in Arlington, or fence repair Arlington. All these should be saved that way. So I would resave all your images as that. Now, if you look at your competitors, Affordable Fence Repair, they got quite a bit more content on their page, which is why they're ranking so much higher. And then Mark's Fence Repair, they don't have that much on their page, but I'll still you, they'll still have a little bit, or I'll still show you why that they're outranking you. So content is king, but it's not the end-all fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google is like a popularity contest, and they check how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So it says you just started doing SEO like right at the end of 2019 in October. It says you have 8 websites linking to you and you have no traffic coming to you whatsoever. Let's see what kind of domains you have. So none of these have anything to do with fencing, so you're going to want to make sure you have those to do with fencing because Google knows that these are just marketing type ones, or they could be just directories as well. Affordable Fence Repair, they've got 3, but they have a lot more content than you. And then Mark's Fence Repair, they have 8, but they have, again, more content than you. So what I'd recommend is definitely getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, but then I would definitely recommend getting the right type of links pointing to you, and I'd get at least 10 more websites linking to you within the fence company. And that's easy. You can literally do that in one single day and take that #1 spot. The last thing I'll tell you about is going to be citations. Citations are important because when someone types in fence repair Arlington TX and they're ready to buy, they're typically going to click on the first company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, many people skip these ads because, one, a large group of people have had bad experiences with them, so they just skip them altogether. But there's also a large group of people with ad blockers who just never see them. So the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. And so, Frank, a great strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend to my clients 30 to 40% more to make sure that once you take that #1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. You typically have to do maybe an hour or 2 of work per month, just adding a couple citations to hold that #1 spot and keep getting all those customers. So that's all I've got for you, Frank. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over for you today was content. I definitely recommend getting this website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Backlinks, you're going to want to add on another 10 more websites at least pointing at you. Make sure those in the plumbing, the fencing industry. And then citations, you're going to want to figure out directories your competitors are in and list yourself in those exact same directories. So Frank, if you want to do this yourself, again, this is no strings attached, free education. All I ask is you give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this email to help me make these videos better in the future. And if you want me to do this for you, our website is SEODallasTX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. If you're on mobile, click this link. It goes right to our phones. Thanks for taking the time to watch us, Frank. Have a great day. Bye.